Hello everyone, we are here at the stall of Laser Technologies at BLECH India 2025. Behind me is the robust machine called Power Bend, which is used for various applications like automotive, construction and manufacturing.
We have displayed one of our phenomenal press brake bending machine. It's called Power Bend. It comes with the dynamic controller system of DELM, which also has a front support on the LM guide and back gauge axis on the double servo, for which gives you more smoother and precise x-axis movement. Also, it has a side and back gauge construction to avoid any kind of obstacle or accident during high-speed production. And it also comes with 4+1 axis for any kind of a complex bending. Since we have inaugurated this power bend machine, we have sold more than 100 installations across Mumbai, Pune and Gujarat, and it has been received really very well among the startup companies, also with one of the reputed companies, MNCs like Durian and all. They're making use of this kind of machines, and definitely they have given a wonderful testimonials and feedbacks about this machine. And we also would like to gather this opportunity by having this machine in your industry or factory to enhance your production and be a part of Laser Technologies.